Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post panoramas on Instagram. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to your Play Store and open it. In the search bar you just type panorama crop for Instagram, and after installing this application you just simply click on open. So here you just simply click on new swipeable post and select the panoramic post from your gallery. And here he will give you an option that you can divide into 2 posts, 3 posts, 4, 5, it's up to you. So I am just selecting 3, and you can just simply crop the post as well. And after complete your editing, you just simply click on the check mark, and you can see that the post is divided into 3 pictures, and then click on the check mark again. So just wait for a while, it's an ad. Then simply cross that, and then you just see the option of open Instagram, so simply click on that. And here you just simply click on the plus icon and then post your panoramic picture as you normally do. So I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.